About 12.5 minutes until touchdown. Standing by for confirmation of chute deploy that will likely come through the search and recovery forces in the area of the landing zone.
Unintelligible.
And there's our video of the Soyuz MS-04 under its main chute and the nominal venting of hydrogen peroxide from the thrusters. Everything is in great shape. We should be seeing the jettisoning of the heat shield that will expose the altimeter that will provide altitude and rate of descent information to the Soyuz's computers. Everything is in great shape, just 11 minutes until touchdown. Just 10.5 minutes until our expected touchdown. Peggy Whitson, Jack Fischer, Fyodor Yurchikhin, and there is the jettisoning of the heat shield right on schedule. On a Sunday morning, less than an hour after sunrise, the Soyuz MS-04 gliding to its landing site, everything in great shape. The crew has been in contact now with the search and recovery forces. About 8.5 minutes until touchdown. The Soyuz gently descending under its main parachute. The Soyuz launched with just 2 people on board, Yurchikhin and Fischer, back on April 20th, coming home with Peggy Whitson having accumulated 665 days in space on 3 flights, 288 days on this mission. Picture's worth 1,000 words in this case. 7 minutes until touchdown. Everything proceeding on track. Six minutes until touchdown. Temperature at the landing site about 77 degrees Fahrenheit under crystal clear skies. Greeting Yurchikhin, Fischer, and Whitson home from the International Space Station. And again, just a few feet off the ground, there'll be a firing of the Soyuz's soft landing engines, one final braking maneuver before touchdown. Search and recovery forces and the Russian Mi-8 helicopters are in a racetrack pattern around the landing site, ready to form a welcoming party for Yurchikhin, Fischer, and Whitson as soon as they touch down. Landing schedule just over 4 minutes from now. All of the entry milestones have unfolded in trip hammer fashion in great shape for the Soyuz spacecraft and its occupants. Just about 2.5 minutes until touchdown. You can hear the sound of the radio beacon on the Soyuz spacecraft, very audible and very clearly heard by the search and recovery forces. About 2 minutes until touchdown. And one of the Russian Mi-8 helicopters in the foreground. Just seconds away from touchdown now. Peggy Whitson, Fyodor, Yurchikhin, and Jack Fischer about to return to terra firma. Touchdown. Touchdown confirmed at 8:21 p.m. Central Time, 9:21 p.m. Eastern Time. Simply spectacular video almost all the way from shoot deploy to touchdown. Again, the Soyuz MS-04 and its 3 occupants, Peggy Whitson, Fyodor, Yurchikhin, Jack Fischer, back on Earth. And we are now receiving video from the landing site. On the right side of your screen, Jack Fischer, back home on Earth after 136 days in space. And Fyodor Yurchikhin, 7th on the all-time endurance list, looking very calm and placid in the early morning sunshine on a Sunday morning on the south central steppe of Kazakhstan. 673 days in space on 5 flights. Again, a view of Jack Fischer at the landing site. And here comes Peggy Whitson. So all 3 crew members now out of the Soyuz MS-04.
Okay, that's it. Good job. Take measurements.
Okay. Сделайте второй, наверное.
Peggy Whitson back on Earth after 665 days in space on her 3 missions. 288 days on this, her 3rd long-duration mission. Again, you're watching live television from the landing site in south-central Kazakhstan. It has been about 26 minutes since the Soyuz MS-04 touchdown. Right on schedule at 8:21 p.m. Central Time, 9:21 p.m. Eastern Time, 7:21 a.m. Kazakhstan time on Sunday morning. Welcome back, Peggy. Flowers for Peggy Whitson from one of the members of the Search and Recovery Forces.
Smoother ride home this time?